Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to completely delete Snapchat account. So let's get into it. To start with, open any web browser and visit accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/delete_account and log in. If you have login verification enabled, a code will be texted to your mobile device that you will need to enter it into the given field in order to sign in. Enter your password, then click Continue. On the next page, you will receive a message stating that your account is in the process of being deactivated. To permanently delete your Snapchat account, you must wait 30 days after you deactivated your account. Your account will then be automatically deleted. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.